Hi, this is Skylar Karen, PyDog with TC Maker. In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to edit posts created by yourself and other users, add and edit pages. These features are part of accounts with editor permissions and higher. To start from the TC Maker homepage, scroll down to the Meta section and log in. This screencast assumes that you have an account with editor permissions or higher. If you don't, create a blog account, which is different from forum accounts, and then notify other members that you'd like your permissions updated, either through a post in the general forum or through an email to the TC Maker mailing list. Somebody should see it and then get you upgraded in a timely fashion. After logging in, we see the dashboard, which gives us a general overview of the blog. And it also has the quick press box, which you can use to quickly add blog posts or even just get your top 5 list, bullet points, save it as later, and then come back to it later in the full editor. One feature that editors have that authors do not is the ability to edit posts created by other users. On the posts page, by selecting it from the left-hand side, you see a list of all of the published posts and drafts on the blog. They are ordered in reverse chronological order, so the top one most current. This here is the most current blog post on the blog. Those in advance of it are drafts. To edit a blog post, you just click on that title link and it brings it up in the editor. You see here is the copy with the embedded photos. You can change any of this, move stuff around, add your own additional photos by using the links, the media links here. If you've made changes, making changes to an already published blog post, there is no option to save draft since it's already published. You could take the status from published to unpublished, but it's not something you'd mess with. You just make your changes, if it's spelling corrections, adding additional content, and then hit the update button. That updated blog post will be pushed out to the homepage and for everybody to see it there. If you have questions about what the write-up will look like, hit the preview changes button, which brings it up in a new tab, and you can see how the blog post will be laid out on the blog. Editing posts is the same whether you're editing your post or another user's post. There are no differences there. You can just select the post and then edit it. If for some reason their content has made it onto the blog that is unsuitable for the TC Maker blog post, editors also have the ability to trash or delete blog posts. This can also be used if you're just cleaning up your own posts, cleaning up drafts that won't be written, etc. You do so by simply mousing over a post and then clicking the trash link. Please refrain from trashing other users' content if it's valuable to the blog. We just want to make sure that in case the spam sneaks in, somebody does something that they're not supposed to with the blog, we want to keep it appropriate. The other ability that editors have is to add and edit pages. The WordPress blog consists of posts, a sequential list of posts on the home page and subsequent pages, as well as a number of other WordPress pages. These pages hold content like the TC Maker calendar of events, which is an embedded Google Calendar. Another page is the classes page. To add pages and administer pages, simply move down the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and select the Pages header. You can see here the list of posts has been replaced with the list of pages currently in the system, both those that are published and existing drafts. To add a new page, you can simply click the Add New link at the top of the screen, which brings you to a blank editor exactly like the editor for editing posts. You give your page a title. The title will also be the ending, like part of the URL for the page. And the content for the page you fill in here. Again, just like posts, if you want to save your progress and not publish right away, you can save as draft. Use the preview button to preview how your write-up will look on the blog. And then when you're done, you can publish the page. This will make the page publicly viewable on the TC Maker website. Pages can also have a hierarchy level. All of the pages we currently utilize and have on the home page are top level pages. This is specified by the parent attribute of the page. No parent is the top level page. If, for example, we wanted to provide more detail to the classes section and have a dedicated page to woodworking classes, you could create a woodworking page with your title, your detail, and then select the classes page as the parent. So this would put it in some fashion, it would put it underneath classes. So it might not appear on the top level bar here, but you could still get to it through the classes page. To edit pages, you simply bring up the pages list, and then you can select the title of the page you'd like to edit. This will open that page in the editor. So just like editing blog posts, you can move stuff around, use the formatting tools. Again, preview your changes before you publish so that you can see how the page lays out, how it will appear. And then finally, when you're done making changes to that page, you can hit the update button. Certain pages have embedded content. For example, the calendar and events page currently has an embedded version of the Google Calendar. This page consists solely of the calendar. The calendar itself is not administered through this page. The calendar is administered through Google Calendar and the Twin Cities Maker Gmail account. But if you want to change the layout of this page at all, this is where you do it. Again, you could make changes to here. Probably best avoiding that one though, so that we don't mess up the formatting of the calendar. And then update when you're done. Pretty simple. So all of the pages, what you're editing when you're doing page is the section between the title and then off to the right-hand sidebar. The sidebar is static across the WordPress parts of the site and doesn't change. It's omnipresent. If you have any questions about, adding posts, editing other users' posts, adding pages, or editing existing pages, create a topic in the forum or send your questions to the TC Maker mailing list, and I would be glad to help you out. Again, this is Skylar Karen and Pyrodog with Twin Cities Maker. I hope this helps anybody that had questions, and look forward to your contributions to the Twin Cities Maker blog. Thanks.